Have you ever stood in front of the mirror, holding your belly, wondering when it'll finally disappear? You've tried sit-ups, pushed through endless crunches, and maybe even quit halfway through those intense floor workouts. And still, nothing seems to work. And still, that belly fat sticks around like it's here to stay. But what if I told you there's a smarter, simpler, and far more effective way to burn belly fat without getting on the floor, lifting heavy weights, or doing high-impact jumps? Hi viewers, welcome to my channel, Sarah's Health and Beauty. In today's video, I will share 7 powerful standing workouts that will help you lose belly fat fast and slim down your entire body. Right at home, without any equipment. These aren't just exercises. They are backed by the latest fitness research and designed to ignite fat burn, strengthen your core, and transform your energy, all while staying on your feet. And the last one is a total game changer. It's simple, super effective, and it targets those stubborn areas like nothing else. Workouts work. Behind the science. According to a 2025 study, wondering if standing workouts work? Well, according to a 2025 study from the Journal of Functional Exercise and Metabolism, the answer is a big yes. The research showed that standing workouts using full body movements burn more calories and activate your core muscles better than traditional floor exercises. Why? Because when you're on your feet, your body works harder to stay balanced, which naturally engages your abs, glutes, and back muscles all at once. Plus, the best part, these workouts are gentle on your joints, improve posture, and keep your body burning fat even after you're done. So, standing workouts aren't just easy. They're smart, effective, and backed by science. Workout 1. Standing elbow to knee, crunches. This move is simple, but incredibly effective. Stand tall, with your hands gently placed behind your head. Bring your right knee toward your left elbow as you twist through your core. Then switch to the other side. Remember, it's not about how fast you go. It's all about control and proper form. Focus on that deep twist and crunch with each rep. You'll be working your obliques, lower abs, and hip flexors all at the same time, giving your core a solid standing sculpt session. Do 20 reps per side. Why it works? It mimics a crunch without the strain on your neck or back, making it safer and sustainable for daily use. Workout 2. Power march with arm swings. Now let's bring on some cardio power. March in place with your knees high, swinging your arms with purpose. Pump those elbows back, keep your core tight, and breathe. This isn't just walking, it's metabolic conditioning. Continue for 60 seconds. Why it works? According to Harvard Health, brisk, upright cardio movements elevate heart rate and fat oxidation, the process your body uses to burn fat as fuel. Workout 3. Side to side. Punch and twist. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and bend your knees slightly. Punch your entire body while rotating your torso. Alternate left and right punches with speed and control. This engages your back, arms, and upper back. Why it works? The rotational movement fires up your obliques and strengthens your midsection, one of the most overlooked keys to fat loss and injury prevention. Workout 4. Standing leg kick with reach. Now let's add flexibility and stability. Kick your right leg forward while reaching your left hand toward your toes. Then switch. Focus on control, not height. You'll feel your lower abs, thighs, hamstrings, and shoulders working. Why it works? This is a dynamic, full body movement that improves coordination and burns belly fat through muscle engagement. Workout 5. Squat plus side knee raise. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower into a shallow squat, and as you come up, lift one knee out to the side. Alternate sides with each rep. This dynamic move activates your legs, glutes, and those hard-to-reach side abs, giving you a powerful, full-body burn. Why it works? Squats trigger a hormonal response that boosts fat-burning growth hormone, and the added knee lift targets your love handles. Workout 6. Forward reaches with knee drives. Standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Extend both arms straight in front of you and lift your right knee up toward your chest as you reach forward, engaging your core. Lower your foot back down and repeat on the other side, alternating sides rhythmically. Do this move for 30 to 45 seconds per round, with 2 to 3 rounds total. Why it works? You're mixing balance, coordination, and core strength while keeping your heart pumping. Perfect for burning calories and tackling that stubborn belly fat. Workout 7. Standing skaters. Standing tall. with your feet hip-width apart and knees slightly bent. Step quickly to the right, landing on your right foot while sweeping your left foot behind you without letting it fully touch the floor. Swing your arms across your body for balance, just like a speed skater. Then push off and leap to the left, repeating the motion side to side. Why it works. Standing skaters are awesome for burning fat. They mix cardio with full body movement, getting your heart pumping and targeting those stubborn belly and side fats. Plus, they're easy on your joints, so you can work your legs, glutes, core, and arms without worry. The secret sauce: consistency and mindset shift. Now here's the truth most people miss. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need to work out for an hour or exhaust yourself every day. These 7 standing exercises, done for just 10 to 15 minutes a day, with proper nutrition and rest, can drastically improve your energy, metabolism, and waistline within just 3 weeks. But you have to decide. Are you ready to stop quitting on yourself? Because every time you press play on this workout, you're not just burning fat, you're showing up for the version of you that wants to feel alive, confident, and free from the limits that belly fat brings. So, if you're ready to take control, reshape your body, and finally say goodbye to stubborn belly fat, start today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. This is your moment.